my name is Brooke Miles. I'm the operations technician here at the Saugus Waste to Energy facility. I'm one of 65 full-time employees who turns 1,500 tons of post-recycled waste every day into renewable energy. So when it comes to waste, we know that we want to first reduce, reuse, and recycle. But what's remaining after that is where we come in and take that waste and then process it into renewable energy every day. And that energy, in turn, powers 16,000 homes and businesses in the greater Boston area. We're on the tipping floor, which is where the trucks will come in after they've been actually weighed in from the scale house. And so our tipping floor operator will guide them, direct them to our bays here, and this is where they will actually go and unload their trucks, which then our tipping floor operator driving a front end loader goes and pushes the trash into the pit, which is then picked up by our crane operator and fed into feed hoppers into the boilers. So one of the responsibilities of our tipping floor operator is that he actually needs to make sure that he's inspecting and monitoring all of the waste coming in for any of the Massachusetts waste ban materials. And if any of these are identified, he actually needs to make sure that they're reloaded and then sent away to another facility that's permitted to take those kinds of waste. So here we are in the crane deck where our crane operator is sitting in that pulpit over there. And he's actually picking up the trash from the pit and feeding it into the boilers. And also he's fluffing the trash, making sure that the material stays consistent when it's being fed into the boilers. So our pit at full capacity holds 6,800 tons. And right now we have about 3 to 4 days worth. And so as you can see with the amount and volume of trash, it's really important that we have a local disposal method like waste to energy so that we're not sending our waste out of state or to landfills. Waste to energy is actually the EPA's preferred method of disposal. And one of the reasons is because per 1 ton of waste that we receive here, we are actually avoiding 2 tons of greenhouse gases being emitted into the atmosphere. And that's because if we didn't have waste to energy, that waste is going to be sent out by tractor trailers to landfills, which then would produce methane. Here we're in the control room where we have a Massachusetts state licensed engineer sitting in here 24/7, 365 days a year. And their responsibility is to ensure compliance with all Mass DEP regulations and to ensure that the overall facility is running smoothly and safely. So one of the things we're really excited about here at Saugus is that we're actually home to the new electric trash trucks. So these trucks are actually going out to Boston, picking up the waste, bringing it back to our facility. We are then converting it to renewable energy, which is then in turn going to power those trucks.